Okay, this is probably the only snake we're going to find out here. I found it out in the field under 1 piece of 10. And Caleb's going to release the eastern coachwhip now at the pig farm. Go ahead, buddy.
Bye, little coach.
Shoo him along. There you go.
It's right there.
Yep. He can live a happy life here at the pig farm. He's right there. There he is. Yeah, he went in that tree. Yeah, he's inside that tree now. Cool. Good job, Caleb.
I wish we could have kept it.
No, we don't need one of those. Let's go to the next spot.